Good day, everyone. So, before we proceed to our discussion, let me introduce myself first. I am Sherilyn M. Pacanes, at third year college, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. And now, our topic is all about sum and difference of two cubes. So next is objectives. First, recall the specific formulas factoring sum and difference of two cubes. Second, apply factoring process to expression that fit the pattern of the sum and difference of two cubes. At the last objectives, develop confidence in one's ability to factor expression and solve problem involving sum and difference of two cubes. Next is take the challenge. Answer the following. So, this is 5 items. You will be given 10 seconds to answer per item. Number 1. 2 cube. So, the answer is 8. Number 2. 5 cube. So the answer is 125. Number 3. 12 cube. So the answer is 1728. Number 4. Cube root of 27. The answer is 3. Number 5. Cube root of 729. So the answer is 9. So next, we'll proceed to our discussion. Our topic is about the sum and difference of two cubes. So the binomial factor of a cube plus b cube is the sum of the cube roots of the given binomial, the quantity a plus b or the quantity a minus b. To determine the terms of the trinomial factor, get the square root of a, subtract or add the product ab, and then add the square of b. Remember not to confuse a squared plus ab plus b squared with the trinomial factors a squared minus ab plus b squared. Recall that the first is a perfect square trinomial that could be forced as a quantity a plus b squared, whereas the latter cannot be forced and is thus considered a prime polynomials. Next is the formula of sum and difference of two cubes. So the first formula is a cube plus b cube is equal to the quantity a plus b times the quantity a squared minus ab plus b squared. And the second formula is a cube minus b cube is equal to the quantity a minus b times the quantity a squared plus ab plus b squared. Next is examples. So example number 1, 8x cubed plus 1. So the cube root of 8x cubed is equal to 2x cubed plus the cube root of 1 is 1 cubed. The cube root of 2x cubed is 2x plus the cube root of 1 cubed is 1. And the square root of 2x is 2x squared. Then subtract the product minus 2x times 1 plus the square root of 1 is 1 squared. So is equal to copy 2x plus 1 times the quantity 2x squared is equal to 4x squared minus 2x times 1 is 2x plus the square root of 1 is 1. So the final answer is the quantity 2x plus 1 times the quantity 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. Number 2. The given problem 27m cubed minus 64. So the cube root of 27m cubed is equal to 3m cubed minus the cube root of 64 is equal to 4 cubed. So 3m cubed minus 4 cubed is equal to the quantity. The cube root of 3m cubed is equal to 3m minus the cube root of 4 cubed is equal to 4 times the quantity. The square root of 3m is equal to 3m squared. Then add the product plus 3m times 4 plus the square root of 4 is 4 squared. So copy 3m minus 4 times the quantity 3m squared is equal to 9m squared plus 3m times 4 is 12m plus 4 squared is 16. So the final answer is the quantity 3m minus 4 times the quantity 9m squared plus 12m plus 16. Example number 3. So the given problem a raised to 6 plus 125. So the cube root of a raised to 6 is equal to the quantity a squared cube plus the cube root of 125 is equal to 5 cube. So the quantity a squared cube plus 5 cube is equal to the cube root of a squared cube is equal to a squared plus the cube root of 5 cube is equal to 5 times the quantity. The square root of a squared is equal to the quantity a squared squared. Then subtract the product minus a squared times 5 plus the square root of 5 is 5 squared. Copy the quantity a squared plus 5 times the quantity a squared squared is equal to a raised to 4 minus a squared times 5 is equal to 5a squared plus 5 squared is equal to 25. So the final answer is the quantity a squared plus 5 times the quantity a raised to 4 minus 5a squared plus 25. So the first example, we use the first formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to the quantity a plus b times the quantity a squared minus ab plus b squared. And the second example, we use the second formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to the quantity a minus b times the quantity a squared plus ab plus b squared. And the last example, we use the first formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to the quantity a plus b times the quantity a squared minus ab plus b squared. So that's all. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something.